In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on one of your passwords you wish to check. Then, after entering your screen lock, click on this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!